lifeline.
My wife.
I made it. You are going to enjoy it.
Okay.
Very well. Is it okay? Oh, this one? Okay. That should be okay now.
Yes.
If you want more, I'll give you. Still have enough.
Won't you join me? It's too small. That's too small.
Thank you, Jesus. You don't want to eat? Very sweet.
Oh! Hey, God! What nonsense is this for God's sake? Hey!
Why are you shouting? You want to kill me? Why are you shouting? Ooh.
Wait, but why you?
Hey, this man, you want to kill me.
Why?
As in, I don't understand.
Iyanu will never treat me like this. Iyanu will never do this to me.
Please.
Give me spicy food all the time. Oh my God.
See,
Iyanu will never do this.
hey, Mr. Man. Please, you need to stop all this. Stop bringing. You have to forget about. Change your mentality. That is your mother. See, you are not a married man. I am your wife, your new mother. Okay? So you need to stop all this attitude of. Start changing your mentality. Don't bring that thing you brought from your house. Don't bring it here. You better start adjusting now. Adjust. You need to adjust because this is a new life, new home, new system.
Oh! If this is your plan to kill me, you have failed. You have failed. See, let me tell you something. Before you, I will not even allow you to kill me. I am going straight now to know Mama Carol's place to go and eat. Where do you give me nice delicacy? Nice.
Mr. Man, go. Please stand up. In fact,
no time this food like this one. You want to kill me for my time?
Stand up and go. Stand up and go.
To me.
Any small thing you will start complaining. What's the meaning of that one?
Iyanu to me. Iyanu will not treat me like this. You want to kill me now?
Please go.
You will not kill me.
You will be complaining. You better start changing your mindset about all this. Everything you brought your mom, everything from your house, you brought it here again to your marriage. You better start changing your mindset. Have I done anything wrong? He doesn't like spicy food. But me, I like spicy food and I like it. I cannot eat and come and start vomiting.
Family Lifeline.
You are welcome again to Family Lifeline. My name is Bisi Adewale, your family coach. In this telecast, I will be showing you something very, very important, and it has the root of a successful marriage. I call it adjustment in marriage. They've told you that everything you need for a successful marriage is compatibility. But I need to tell you that nobody is actually compatible with you. They told you that you must get somebody that's physically compatible with you, mentally compatible with you, emotionally compatible with you, financially compatible, career-wise you are compatible. Oh, it's like they are saying you should look for somebody that both of you has ball and socket. But the truth is, nobody on earth has that kind of attribute to fit into your life. That is why one of the strongest keys to the success of any marriage is adjustment. Maybe you are hearing this one for the first time. Please join me after this break as I tell you more about adjustment in marriage.
Family Lifeline.
Family Booster Ministry presents Mega Marriage Summit, April edition, with the theme Winning Wars Over Your Marriage Season 2. Date is Sunday, 24th April 2022. Time 2 p.m. Venue Lagos Airport Hotel off Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Lagos.
Family Lifeline.
You are welcome again to Family Lifeline. I told you I will be talking about adjustment in marriage. There's one silent reason why marriages are crashing today, and the number of divorce is increasing. And that reason is failure to adjust. Lack of adjustment is the main reason. People are just not ready to adjust. They came to their marriages with the mind that I am myself. Anybody that wants to marry me must be able to flow with me. Oh, I have been hearing this word. They should accept me the way I am. That can never happen. Your marriage cannot be the best if you want to remain the person you are before your wedding. When people married and they want to remain who they were before wedding, crisis will definitely arise. So, if you want a great marriage, go in the route of adjustment. So somebody may ask me, okay, what is adjustment in marriage? Adjustment is that small. It may be small, it may be big. Alteration, improvement, modification, correction, or movement made by two people in marriage so that they can fit into the expectation or situation of their new life in marriage, situation of each other. That is to say, let me give you an example. I've been used to sleeping by 9 p.m. But now my wife went to work. She won't arrive till around 11 p.m. I will need to adjust so that I can welcome her because of her job. And he has no power to change that. It is me that I have to adjust. There are so many advantages of adjustment. Well-adjusted couples are expected to have long-lasting, stable, and joyful marriage. If you get married today, the first set of assignments you must do is to begin to adjust. Check areas where you need to adjust. If joyful marriage is your thought, is your prayer, is your aspiration, if that is what you want, if that's your vision, if that is your desire, then adjustment is the key. Poorly adjusted marriage are expected to experience instability, turbulence, fighting on little things. That's why you see people fighting about the taste of food, fighting about how to press toothpaste, fighting about whether the light should be on or the light should be off. Nobody is ready. I've been sleeping with light off all my life. My wife has been sleeping with light on. Now we got married, we want to sleep in the same room. How do we do it? If none of us is ready to adjust to suit the purpose of our partner because of love, there will be stalemate. And one of the greatest enemy of marriage is stalemate. The state of stalemate can destroy any marriage any day. That is why, for both of us to be committed to adjustment in marriage, will lead to a joyful, powerful, blissful, and peaceful marriage. Adjustment is the foundation of intimacy in marriage. Before two adults who have been living their life in different ways for years to get married and fit into each other, you need adjustment. Adjustment is the foundation of intimacy. For you to become intimate, you need to adjust. Adjustment brings unity in marriage. Do you want to stand united? Do you want a very strong union? Adjustment is the key. Adjustment is the key. There is no time you want to force your way, force your plan, force your person on your spouse, and it will not meet with resistance. Adjustment brings harmony into marriage. It brings so much joy. Adjustment will bring joy. It will bring happiness. Adjustment is the foundation of understanding. It builds so many things in your marriage. Adjustment is the foundation of romance. Adjustment brings deep understanding, deep love. Adjustment will strengthen your marriage. Adjustment will turn things around in your marriage. Adjustment makes love grow in marriage. Signs of absence of adjustment in marriage. A lot of couples, they find it so difficult to know that they are not adjusting well in their marriage. So there are some signs, there are some things you will see in your marriage that will make you to know that you have not adjusted or you have not well adjusted. One of them is constant disagreement on money, constant disagreement on little issues. When you find yourself disagreeing, fighting, talking on money, how to spend money, how to give money, how to save money, it's like you are disagreeing on everything as far as money is concerned. That's a sign of not well adjusted. And when you discover that you have constant disagreement on every little thing, can you imagine about what to cook? It takes you hours to decide when to eat, how to eat, what kind of food to prepare, and so many things. You are just disagreeing on this thing. What kind of toothpaste to buy, how to press the toothpaste. It will be as if you mismarried. But the problem is not about mismarrying. The problem is you are not adjusting. If you marry any other person and you are still not adjusting, you will have the same problem over and over again. Another sign of lack of adjustment in a marriage is unending argument. Unending argument. Some people will argue and argue and argue, and nobody seems to be ready to yield. When you find yourself in this state, it's a sign that you are not adjusting, and it will lead to another thing. We call it stalemate. Stalemate is the stage that can cause a lot of crisis in marriage. When you are having so many stalemates in your marriage, it's a very hard signal that you are not adjusting. Both of you are stubborn. Both of you are not bending. Both of you are not yielding. Both of you are not bending. Both of you are not yielding. Before your marriage can be great, everybody must break down. It's like when you put different kind of yam in a mortar and you want to bring pounded yam out of it, everybody must break down. By the time they break down, they mix together. The beauty of it is there are no more yam, they are now pounded yam. Well pounded, well grounded. So in marriage, you must be ready to be grounded. You must not remain you. The you that was born died on the altar of yes I do. The day you went to get married was the day that you, that I, me, my, and myself died. And when you were going out of the church after your wedding, another human being has been born. This one must be ready to bow down. This one must be ready to yield. This one must be ready to say, okay, is that how you want it? Is that what you want? Okay, let's go for it. I'm talking about both men and women now. Most of the time, an average man want the wife to always bending and yielding and following and respecting and honoring, that will turn to dictatorship and it will backfire later. But the willingness of both husband and wife to yield, to bend for the purpose of marriage is what we call adjustment. When you begin to see the domination of men, it is only the man. Anything he says, whatever is to be cooked, is the only one. Wherever you are going to, the time to leave, how to live, the kind of dress to wear, and so many things. We call it men domination.
Family life.
Of lack of adjustment in marriage is manipulation by women. I told you, if the man is dominating or the woman is manipulating, the woman is just having her way. Whenever she wants something done, she will manipulate her husband. The husband will follow just to give her joy, just to make her happy, though he's not happy. And this continues in marriage. There is no way it will not hold the mind of the partner, whether you are coming by domination or you are coming by manipulation. You are calling for real trouble in your marriage. That is why the way of adjustment is the right way to go for a great marriage.
Family lifeline.
Family Booster Ministry presents Mega Marriage Summit, April edition, with the theme Winning Wars Over Your Marriage Season 2. Date is Sunday, 24th April 2022. Time 2 p.m. Venue Lagos Airport Hotel off Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Lagos.
Family lifeline.
Marriage adjustment is a continuous thing. When children begin to arrive, you need to make more adjustment. When the in-law visits you, you need to make adjustment. There are ways they were doing in your family and they are not doing like that in other families. Now you are married into another family, you need to learn the way they are doing it. And this takes a lifetime. So, if you want a great marriage, the way of adjustment. Thank you for joining me in this particular episode. And I know that you've learned one or two things about adjustment in marriage. And you are now committed to adjust to suit the purpose of your marriage. If you want to listen to this telecast again, you want to watch this telecast again, kindly go to my YouTube channel at Bisi Adewale is the channel. Subscribe to it and put on the notification. And don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram, and join me on the Facebook group, Family Lifeline Facebook group. Join me quickly and make your marriage the best. Remember, your family is very, very important. Take good care of your marriage.
Family lifeline.
Bedside Africa Development PLC is a multidimensional holding company with services in financial service, real estate, energy, power, construction, manufacturing, and logistics. Bedside Africa Development PLC is now strategically positioned as a leading player in the Nigeria economy by the virtue of its rapid growth in the real estate and power generating services within its short period of its establishment in 2010. Its real estates with affordable homes made easy are located in choice places within Nigeria. Bedside Africa Development PLC, enhancing your growth.
Family lifeline.
Do you want a better marriage? Do you want a more tantalizing and romantic marriage? Will you like to be entertained with good drama skits and transform your home totally to heaven on earth? Then join us on Family Lifeline with Bisi Adewale. Will you like to build your family, get deep knowledge about marriage, love, intimacy, finance, and parenting? Then join Bisi Adewale, your family coach, on Lagos Television, LTV, UHF 35, DSTV 256, GoTV Channel 90, StarTime Channel 113 every Thursday at 9:30 p.m. For sponsorship and advert placement, please call 0806-831-2004. Family Lifeline, building families, molding destiny.
Family lifeline.